Famous black people who are dying and you didn't know. Number 1, Wendy Williams. Wendy Williams shocked fans after years of health problems, memory struggles, and emotional breakdowns forced her completely out of television. Her condition became one of entertainment's saddest public declines. Number 2, Al Sharpton. Al Sharpton's dramatic weight loss over the years left many viewers concerned about his health. His thinner appearance constantly sparks discussion every time he appears on television. Number 3, Jamie Foxx. Jamie Foxx terrified Hollywood after suffering a mysterious medical emergency that kept him away from the public for months. Rumors about how serious the situation really was exploded online. Number 4, Denzel Washington. Denzel Washington recently worried fans after appearing noticeably thinner and more exhausted during public appearances, leading to growing speculation about possible health struggles behind the scenes.